What's up everyone? Monday afternoon here at Misfire. Just going to show you guys what's going on. Today I'm building a Misfire Motorsports Stage 2 long block for a customer out in California. I've always loved kind of showing this portion of the builds off just because it's kind of not really shown, if you will. It's kind of like you just see like the finished product, but I'm going to walk you guys through just kind of like what I'm doing. So all of our Misfire Motorsports Stage 2 short blocks start with new case halves. I do the Manley H-Tough rods and the Manley forged pistons. Basically takes care of the weak points that these engines have from the factory when you start turning them up, which they don't have any technically weak points, but basically fortifies the foundation to where that you can turn them up more past factory thresholds basically. Here's a forged piston, which is pretty neat because usually they're always installed in the car and you can't, or in the engine, you can't really tell, but this is a beautiful Manley forged piston. Factory compression, coated skirts. It's got the offset wrist pin angles as well, and it's just a beautiful piece. And we've always ran these and have ran them in hundreds and hundreds of motors and had great luck with them. So we rate this engine about 550 bhp just because it does have the factory liners on the Stage 2 short blocks. I think it's a perfect setup, and if you're ever interested in getting one, give Steven a shout, 405-919-8404, and he'd be happy to advise you and get you set up. So thank you guys for following us, and we've got a whole bunch more content coming your way.